Hello everyone, welcome to IMustGate Academy. Dear students, here is an admission update for you from IIT Delhi's Abu Dhabi Center. If you are looking for the PhD admission, then yes, here is the scope. You can see, dear students, on the official website of IIT Delhi Abu Dhabi Center. Here you can see they are going to take admission in the PhD in the area of energy and sustainability. Okay, they mention here start of submission of online application already started from the 14th December. Last date of submission is 31st December. Then range of date for the interview online. Okay, they will have between 3rd January to 6th January and declaration of the result around 10th January. Offer acceptance deadline by the candidate 17 January and then tentative date of registration and orientation for the new PhD students is January 27. Okay guys, so we can see here it's mentioned, they mention here the minimum eligibility requirement also they mention. Okay, I will come to the detailed brochure. We can download the brochure here and we can see here the details also. So let's check it out. This is for the Abu Dhabi Center of IIT Delhi. They are inviting for the pursuing PhD at the IIT Delhi. This is the inaugural course only, means they are going to start PhD in this year only. Okay, so let's check it out. Application fees waived for the 2025 applicants. Yeah, here the important dates. So December 14, as I already told you, these are the dates and eligibility criteria. Let's check it out. So applicant must have completed a master's degree, 2-year MTech, MS, ME or 5-year integrated course with a minimum CGP of 3.0 on a 4.0 point scale or equivalent 7.5 on a 10 point, means 7.5 out of the 10 or 75% aggregate marks in case of the marks offered by the graduation college. Okay, in a discipline relevant for the doctoral degree, or you should have academic distinction in a relevant discipline at the bachelor degree. Okay, with a CGP of at least this one 87.5% aggregate marks will also be considered as a doctoral degree. Students in the final semester can also apply here. Okay, then surely they require the GATE scorecard also, but for the non-sponsor candidates. So candidates applying as a non-sponsor, I will tell you what is the meaning of non-sponsor here. Candidate with BE, BTech, BE, BS, MSc or equivalent should have qualified either GATE with a minimum valid score of 350 or GRE exam. Okay, so if you already finish your, if you finished your BE BTech with 87.5% marks, you are eligible. If you finish your MS or master's degree with 75% marks, then also you are eligible. Okay, now what is the condition? For candidates who have completed their BTech from an IIT and have a CGP of 8.0 or above, the requirement of GATE GRE as a qualification examination is waived off. So if you are an IITian, okay, already if you completed your BTech from the IIT, then there is no requirement of GATE scorecard, directly you can apply here. However, the qualification criteria listed in A would apply. Okay, now work experience is there for sponsors candidates. If you want to apply with the sponsor quota, then here the candidates applying in the full-time sponsors category sponsored by other companies or organizations should have a minimum of 2 years of work experience and sponsorship from the organization. Okay, and other requirements, statement of purpose, they mention here some details also, and here you can see scholarship details also there for the students who are citizens of the UAE, and for the other students also they mention here. The selection procedure. So selection of a PhD candidate would be done in the following 2 steps. Shortlisting based on the merit of the application in the terms of CGPA of the qualifying degree, qualifying examination score, relevance of background, previous work experience. Second, interview of the shortlisted candidates by a commitment committee which may seek recommendation letter from the referees in arriving its final decision. Okay, so this is the 2-step simple PhD project title they mention here. Okay, more details are mentioned here in this brochure, you can see bacho. So if you are looking for this admission, then surely here you can see contact mail also available here, email ID, the mobile number and website is also available here. Even they mention how to apply. Okay, and what is the requirement, qualifying examination, work experience, every detail here they mention. Select the PhD project also, you can see All right, and submit your application. If you want to submit, you are having here apply now or application guide. You can see they are having some amount also, and you can see you can just go with this one. All right, guys, so just check it out, the complete details. If you are looking for this PhD program, sponsored PhD program, sponsored or non-sponsors category, and you want to be there at IIT Delhi's Abu Dhabi Center, then surely you can check it out, the details. The last date I am revising again so that you will not miss. The last date of applying is 31st December 2025. Sorry, 31st December 2024, and then the interview date will be in the 2025 January. You can see the final orientation will be there on the 27th January 2025. So accordingly, you can check, dear students. Stay connected to IMSGATE Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates. Thank you.